Declutter before moving to cut costs and make unpacking simple. Start by creating 3 clear categories for every room: keep, discard, and redistribute, and work one room at a time to avoid overwhelm. Measure boxes and furniture and compare those dimensions to your new space so you only move items that fit and are worth the effort. Photograph higher value items and list them on reputable selling platforms with honest descriptions and multiple clear images. Price them slightly above your minimum to allow negotiation, and respond to inquiries within 24 hours to close sales before moving day. For donations, schedule a pickup with a local charity or drop items off early to get receipts for tax records, and prioritize seasonal or gently used clothing and household goods that charities accept. For hazardous materials such as paints, solvents, batteries, and certain cleaners, consult your municipal hazardous waste program for scheduled drop-off dates and never pack these with household goods. Consider consigning antiques or branded items with a local consignment shop that handles staging and sale, but factor in their commission when deciding whether to consign or sell directly. Common mistakes are holding on to sentimental items out of guilt, underestimating time needed, and packing unwanted items just in case. If guilt is stopping you, photograph the item and create a small keepsake box with only a few meaningful pieces to preserve the memory without moving the entire collection. If you underestimate time, start decluttering at least 8 weeks before moving and set 3-hour blocks twice a week to make steady progress. If you pack things you do not intend to keep, label those boxes clearly for donation or sale and schedule pickups or drop-offs immediately so they do not return to circulation. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to moving, repairs, and property preparation. On our site, we host a discussion community where people exchange tips, ask questions, and share local vendor experiences to make moving and downsizing smoother for everyone.